What's up, YouTube? We're gonna do a quick garlic butter and shrimp. Come in, son. So what we got here today, we got some shrimp, some raw shrimp, about a pound of shrimp, farm-raised shrimp. Got this from the local supermarket. We got some butter, unsalted butter, some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic, and we got some parsley. All right, so first thing first, get your hands washed. 20-second rule for this coronavirus. So yeah, so I'm just deciding to do a quick little meal for me and the boys. All right. So first thing first, we're gonna get this butter melted. Shout out to everybody that likes shrimp. I'm gonna use this whole thing of butter. Actually, I'm probably gonna use two. We're gonna use two. There's really one stick, but and if we need more butter, we can do that. Cut that down, son. Let that cook down. Real simple, anybody can do this. All you need is shrimp, butter, and garlic, and some Old Bay seasoning. You can use any seasoning you want. I'm just using Old Bay, that's what I got. You like a lot of butter. Actually, I'm probably gonna put another thing of butter in there. It's really like 2 sticks. It'll probably take about a good 15 minutes to cook this meal. You probably can do this with crab. You can do this with, I don't recommend crawfish, but if that's what you want to try, something new, go ahead and try it. Anyway, my name is Mr. Lorio, so those who don't know who I am, you can find me on Facebook. Find me on YouTube. So we got that butter melting down. Keep this stuff out the way. All right, so let's get on to the shrimp. So we're gonna get these shrimp cleaned up. It's not a lot of shrimp, but they're pretty huge, just to let you see how big these shrimp are. Get them all washed off. Make sure you clean these shrimp. Get them rinsed off real good, because we don't know where these shrimp were other than the store, but before that, you don't know. You want to clean them off from any dirt or anything. All right. We got that. Drain it out. I'm gonna wash my hand one more time, just to be safe. So anyway. So while you got that going, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Old Bay seasoning in there as well. And you can put as much as you want. We're gonna put it on the shrimp as well, because you want that flavor. See that? Now comes the garlic. You can use as much as, I like a lot of garlic in mine, so I'm probably gonna put this whole thing in there. Use this bottom part of the spoon. I ain't gonna use them. So you want to make sure you get a lot of garlic, because that's the flavor you're going for, garlic butter. So we're gonna get all this garlic in here. Yep, that's pretty much everything. Put that in. We're gonna cut that up just a little bit more. So this is the garlic butter. So at this point, you're pretty much good on this. So once this cooked down, I'm just gonna add just a small dab of milk. That's to thicken this up a little bit. So the milk is gonna thicken it up. I know it seems like it's crazy, but if you want a thicker sauce, some people like their sauce thin, some people like it thick. You can use heavy cream, don't use a lot. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some of that seasoning to our shrimp. Get these bad boys nice and seasoned. They smell good already. So I've got that. I'm just gonna transfer that over to this boiling butter and garlic. These are gonna cook real fast. You wanna make sure they get these all soaked in there. Cut this up to get this butter melting a little bit more. You're gonna know when this is done when these shrimp start turning red. Now we're cooking. Fire's turned up. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. We got the shrimp. They're pretty much cooked. I actually cut the heat off and let them just simmer a little bit. So the shrimp are done. And you can let them stay covered just to soak in a little bit more of that garlic butter. But you're going to be using this garlic butter as your dipping sauce too. So we're going to get this stuff poured in. So that's good. This is hot, so make sure you got a towel or you got some mittens or something. You're gonna need that. All right. So we're gonna transfer that over here, and we're just gonna dump this stuff out. Look it up. Woo-wee! Actually, let me get the spoon. We need to get all that garlic in there. Shout out to Trick Daddy. Trick Daddy actually motivated me to get out in my kitchen and cook. Trick Daddy do live videos of him cooking in the kitchen. So big shout out to Trick Daddy. Alright, so here it is. Now it may look a little greasy because it's a lot of butter, but you want that butter though. And to top it off, I'll just put a little bit on now. And we're gonna see what this look like. We're gonna get some, we're gonna put some on the plate. I can't wait to try this. I know the boys can't wait to try it. I am in no way a chef, but I tell you what, that look good. So that's it. This is my garlic shrimp and Old Bay. So if you want to see more of these, I'll be putting more videos out in the future. But before I even do that, I'm gonna taste one of them just to make sure. And the way I eat my shrimp, when they soak it in garlic butter, these things are hot. Whew. Man, but we're gonna test and see. I don't peel them first. I go ahead and suck the juice out. I tell y'all what, come get a little closer to this right quick. I want them to see that. Man, that's good. I'll tell you what, the sauce, I don't even need to eat the shrimp. I can just suck the sauce off these all day. And we're gonna peel one off. And I talk a lot about the sauce, the butter, why you want so much, because you're gonna be using that to dip it in them like that. If you want more sauce, that's why I say put the sauce, because you're gonna need a lot of butter. You can always pour some more. So this is good. This is, man, I tell you what, something like this is like a cuisine in New Orleans. There's Gulf shrimp. We can use any kind of shrimp. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm about to tear this up. I got my beer, I got my shrimp. Until then, I'll talk to y'all next time.